Cranes. Cranes are large, graceful, gliding birds. They are the best travelers and can be found all over the world. Cranes generally live in grasslands and like to be near water. They have long, skinny legs, tall necks, and a really big wingspan. But they're probably best known because they are great at flying really long distances. As winter approaches, they fly to where it's warmer. This is called a migration. Sometimes it can be thousands of miles. Some cranes even have to fly over the Himalayas, which are the tallest mountains in the world. The cranes get a free ride on hot air that takes them very high. Then they glide down until they get another free lift.